My name is Erica Briant, and I am Director of Community Engagement and Training at Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania. I represent clients who need help clearing their criminal records, so I do expungements and pardons. I also represent clients needing gender-affirming name changes. Collateral consequences is a shorthand for how we talk about all of the zillions of ways that a criminal record impacts someone's life. So it's, the law that says if you have an aggravated assault conviction, it might mean that you can never be a nurse. Or if you have a drug felony, aren't able to access subsidized housing. There are between 3,000 and 5,000 different statutory collateral consequences for having a record only in Pennsylvania. I could tackle each of those 3,000 issues one by one by one. But I think everybody agrees the more effective way to go about it is just to be able to get rid of the underlying record so that it's not just an endless game of whack-a-mole, right? Waiting for the next barrier to pop up. Statistically, about 7 years after someone has a record, they are no longer any more likely to have a new case than someone who has never had any involvement with the criminal legal system. And so getting rid of the record, either sealing it or getting the client a pardon or an expungement, really allows them to live up to all of their skills and capabilities and work effort to be able to just break free of that record, which is absolutely no longer relevant to who they are and what their behavior is going to be going forward. In law school, I interned at Mazzoni Center helping LGBTQ clients. The one issue that came up over and over and over again was that if someone had a legal name that was inconsistent with their gender identity, they weren't able to choose when to disclose that information. Their school IDs, their work IDs, to apply for a job, all of that required outing themselves in a time and place that it might not be safe even to do that. When I came to legal aid, I just kept doing it. So anybody who needs a gender-affirming name change, in our counties we represent them as long as they're income eligible, completely free of charge. I feel so proud of the way in which the folks I work with have been able to develop and shine and grow. As an organizer at heart, I don't want everything to be contingent on me. That feels really fragile. So knowing that we have this amazing background of folks who are committed, hardworking, trained, and resilient, that is what makes me feel proudest.